Namaste tech enthusiast, Suraj here on the BTNX channel. Feeling limited by traditional art tools? Wish you had a powerful AI assistant to bring your creative visions to life? Welcome to the world of Leonardo AI, a revolutionary platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate stunning artwork based on your descriptions. But here's the secret sauce. Mastering the art of prompting is the key to unlock Leonardo AI's true potential. In this B10X guide, we will show you how to craft prompts that will have Leonardo AI churning out masterpieces aligned perfectly with your creative visions. Before we dive in, a quick reminder B10X offers an exclusive AI tools workshop. The link is in the description below. We will talk more about it later in the video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Leonardo AI does not work with paintbrushes or cliches. It uses your words. The prompts you provide are the foundation for the artwork it generates. Think of them as detailed instructions for your AI copilot, guiding it to create the image you have in mind. The more precise and descriptive your prompts are, the better Leonardo AI can understand your vision and translate into a stunning visual. So let's master the technique for desired results. Let me clear one thing. I won't be talking here about the things like start with the subject, describe the style, setting the scene, mood, and emotion, etc. etc. Because these are the things that you already know. And we are living in the age of AI, so why to put that much effort in doing all such thing when AI can do it for you? So here in this video, I'll be using Google's Gemini AI for a perfect prompt in order to get desired results. I know many of you would say, Suraj, there's prompt generation tool within Leonardo AI. Then why to use Gemini? But believe me, I do use Leonardo AI regularly, and its prompt generation tool is horrible. So that's why I'll be showing you how to generate perfect prompt with the help of Gemini. So head over to Gemini and type in this prompt. The prompt is: you are an expert designer, Photoshop expert, and a prompt engineer who is adept in creating images using AI tools like Leonardo AI. You can write amazing prompt by just 2 to 3 words given by clients to achieve accurate results. Okay, so when you will hit enter, so it will respond you something like that. I would be glad. Okay, so it has given me the long text, and in short, it is saying, okay, simply provide me the keywords, and it will generate you a prompt. Okay, so here what I have done, I have just provided keywords, and the keywords were: imagine a world where your browser reads your mind. Okay, so I needed an image to put in my video where a person is imaging about the AI world and all. Okay, so I just given in the prompt and it has given me the very long description. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and I cannot see the exact prompt. Okay, so that's why I have done one more thing. I just gave one more prompt, just provide me 1 or 2 prompts only. Okay, so it has given me a very concise and to the point prompt to me. Okay, so you can see what it has responded: a minimalistic line art illustration of a person surfing the web with their thoughts literally appearing as a bubbles above their head, seamlessly merging with the browser mind. Wow. So you can see how descriptive the prompt is. Okay, so when you will paste this prompt to the Leonardo AI, you will see the accurate results. Here I have just provided him so many keywords. You can see your video calls turns into the cartoon, and it has generated me the wonderful prompts again. And there are so many prompts I have generated with the help of this. You can just take a screenshot of this and try yourself. Okay, I won't be showcasing you in this video that what kind of results you will get. Okay, but I know many of you won't believe, so that's why let's take one prompt. Okay, any prompt you can choose from here. Okay, so I'm just choosing the first prompt and simply head over to the Leonardo AI, click on generation, paste this prompt and wait for a while. Click on generate. Okay, so it is generating the images and let's see what it generates. Look at the results. So go ahead, use such techniques and generate stunning images using Leonardo AI. And remember, mastering Leonardo AI prompts is an ongoing journey of exploration and experimentation. The more you practice, the better you will understand how to communicate your creative vision to the AI and generate stunning artwork that reflects your unique style. But there's more to being a B10X AI artist. Here at B10X, we offer a comprehensive workshop. In this workshop, you will delve deeper into the world of AI powered art creation and explore advanced techniques beyond Leonardo AI. Don't miss out this opportunity to unlock the full potential of AI in your creative journey. Click the link in the description below to secure your spot in the B10X AI Creative Workshop today. Leonardo AI is a powerful tool that can take your creativity to new heights. With a little practice and guidance from BDNX, you will be crafting stunning AI generated artwork in no time. So, are you ready to unleash your inner AI artist? Share your Leonardo AI creation in the comments below and tag us at the Red BDNX channel. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more creative content like this. And most importantly, explore the link in the description below to join our AI Tools workshop of AI art creation. See you in the next one. Thank you.